MOU signed between the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education and Tashi Lungpo Monastery. On February 12th, a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, was signed between the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education and Tashi Lungpo Monastery, focused on promoting academic growth, student exchange, resource sharing, and collaborative research. The MOU was signed by Dr. Tenzin Pasang, principal of the Institute, and His Eminence Zikup Tulku, the abbot of Tashi Lungpo Monastery, coinciding with the long life prayer offering for His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, by the monastery. In a memorable moment, the MOUs were presented to His Holiness for his blessings and endorsement, marking a significant milestone in this collaboration. On the same day, a delegation from Bangalore University, led by the Registrar, Shri Sheikh Latif and Professor M. Shashidhar, also had the honor of an audience with His Holiness the Dalai Lama, seeking his blessings for their educational initiatives and future endeavors. The visit reflects the strong academic and cultural exchanges between the institution and Bangalore University. Tenzin Pasang, the Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education, Tashi Lungpo Monastery, India, Bangalore University, Manipal University, Bangalore campus.